What if the stars were speaking to you right now? What if their messages weren't just light years away, but encoded in your very consciousness? Today, we explore two of the most profound cosmic intelligences said to be guiding humanity: the Pleiadians and the Arcturians. Their teachings offer us contrasting, yet complementary blueprints for awakening. But how do they differ? And what does each truly want you to remember? The Pleiadians are often described as our celestial siblings, warm, heart-centered beings who once walked a path similar to ours. Their messages are deeply emotional, rooted in love, unity, and the remembrance of our divinity through feeling. They teach that healing the earth begins with healing the heart. That evolution is not just about expanding the mind, but about softening into presence, about remembering that love is the ultimate technology. Pleiadian wisdom says, "You are not broken, you are remembering." They urge us to drop the armor, to reconnect with sensuality, creativity, and the emotional intelligence of the body. Through dreams, synchronicities, and inner knowing, they nudge us to trust our intuition and open to the cosmic dance of oneness. In contrast, the Arcturians arrive with a cool clarity, like star surgeons of the soul. Their guidance is more crystalline, focused on consciousness refinement, frequency calibration, and energetic architecture. They offer a blueprint of the mind as gateway, teaching that by upgrading our thought patterns and activating dormant codes within our DNA, we can transcend linear time and step into multidimensional mastery. Arcturian transmissions often feel more technical, like sacred geometry speaking in light. They remind us, you are the coder of your own matrix. Their focus is on stabilization, helping humanity build energetic structures that can hold higher frequencies. If the Pleiadians stir the heart to open, the Arcturians build the chamber to contain it. But here's the beautiful part: neither path is superior. They are two halves of a galactic mirror. The Pleiadians show us how to feel the truth. The Arcturians teach us how to anchor it into reality. Together, their wisdom invites a sacred balance, the union of divine feminine and divine masculine, the spiral and the grid, the song and the structure. So when you close your eyes and listen to the stars, do you feel a warm presence whispering through your emotions, or a crystalline intelligence tuning your thoughts to precision? Maybe it's not about choosing one, but learning to embody both. Because the future of Earth is not just written in the stars, it's awakened in you, and the cosmos is watching you remember.